Hello student, good morning everyone. Welcome to all of you in mathematics class. Dear students, in previous class we have discussed about the topic section formula and also we were solving some problems of exercise 7.2. Today I am going to proceed this exercise with question number 5. So let us move toward the topic. Your question 5th is find the ratio in which the line segment joining A and B whose coordinate is 1 minus 5 and minus 4, 5 is divided by the x-axis. And after that also find the coordinate of point of division. Let the required point ratio be k is to 1, then the coordinate of point P of division are here. Dear friends, we know that by section formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n x coordinate and my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. This is a section formula. Here m equal to k, n equal to 1, x1 equal to 1, y1 equal to minus 5, x2 equal to minus 4 and y2 equal to 5. So division of P is mx2 k into minus 4 minus 4k plus nx1 1 mx2 plus nx1 1 into 1 by m plus n 4 plus 1 and my2 plus ny1 my2 y2 means 5, so my2 plus ny1 1 into minus 5 by m plus n, that is coordinate of point P is minus 4k plus 1 by k plus 1 and 5k minus 5 by k plus 1. But given if the ratio in which the line segment joining A and B is divided by the x-axis. We know that if you line divided x-axis, so every point y is 0, but the line divides x-axis, but the line divides x-axis, then ordinate, that is, then every point of y, then every point of y is 0. So y means ordinate. So 5k minus 5 by k plus 1. Therefore 5k minus 5 by k plus 1 equal to 0. So 5k minus 5 equal to 0 into whole 0. Therefore k equal to 5k equal to 5. So k equal to 5 by 5 1. So dear students, and also k equal to 1 and also find the coordinate of the point of division. So coordinate point of division, coordinate of P are here minus 4 into k, k equal to 1. So minus 4 into 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 and 5 into 1 minus 5 by 1 plus 1, that is P equal to minus 4 plus 1, minus 3 by 2 and 5 minus 5, 0. So point of division is minus 3 by 2. So x-axis division minus 3 by 2, that means negative side here. So dear students, so point of division is required division, hence required ratio is 1:1 and point of division is minus 3 by 2, 0. So next question is question number 6. If 1, 2, 4y, x6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of parallelogram taken in order A, B, C, D, find x and y. Find x and y. Dear students, ABCD is a parallelogram whose coordinates is 1, 2, 4y, x6 and 3, 5. We know that diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. That means AC diagonals and BD intersect at point O. So 1 plus x, so coordinate of x, therefore 1 plus x by 2, 1 plus x by 2 equal to 3 plus 4 by 2, or 1 plus x equal to 2 cancel, 3, 4, 7, therefore x equal to 7 minus 1, 6, x equal to 6, and 3 and 2 plus 6, our 2 plus 6 by 2 equal to 5 plus y by 2. 5 plus y by 2 equal to 5 plus y by 2 equal to 2 plus 6 by 2. Our 5 plus y equal to 2 cancelled, or 2 or 6, 8. Therefore y equal to 8 minus 5, that is 3. Hence find the x and y. Hence x equal to 6 and y equal to 3. This is a required answer. So dear students, today's class is over and your homework is do question number 1 to 6 of exercise 7.2. Thanks, have a nice day.